What if I told you that the biggest thing stopping you from getting rich is something you're doing every single day without even realizing it? Not your job, not your salary, not even the economy. It's your habits. And here's the uncomfortable truth. Most people don't stay poor because they lack opportunity. They stay poor because they repeat the same invisible mistakes over and over again. Think about this. Have you ever said, "Once I make more money, I'll start saving"? Yeah, that's exactly where it begins. But here's the twist. People who think like that, they almost never get rich. Today, we're going to break down the 3 silent habits you must stop immediately if you actually want to build wealth. And the third one? It's the most dangerous, and almost everyone is guilty of it. Habit number 1, waiting to feel ready. Let's start with something simple but deadly. Waiting. Waiting for the right time. Waiting for more money. Waiting until you understand everything. Let me ask you something. When was the last time life actually felt perfectly ready? Exactly. Wealthy people don't wait. They move before they feel ready because they understand something powerful. Action creates clarity, not the other way around. If humans waited to feel ready, we'd still be in caves, arguing about fire. Now here's the danger. Every day you delay, you lose time, and time is the one asset you can never earn back. Which brings us to the next habit. Habit number 2, spending to impress. Let's be honest, we've all done it. Buying things, not because we need them, but because we want to look successful. The nice phone, the branded clothes, the expensive lifestyle. But here's the truth no one tells you. Looking rich is the fastest way to stay broke. Real wealth is quiet. It doesn't need validation. It doesn't chase attention. Think about it. The people flexing the most are often the ones with the least. Meanwhile, truly wealthy individuals? They're busy building assets, not appearances. If your bank account is crying, but your Instagram is smiling, we have a problem. And here's where it gets deeper. Every dollar you spend trying to impress others is a dollar you didn't invest in your future. And that leads to the most dangerous habit of all. Habit number 3, ignoring where your money goes. This is the silent killer because it doesn't feel like a mistake. It feels normal. You earn money, you spend money, and at the end of the month, it's just gone. No tracking, no plan, no awareness. Let me ask you something uncomfortable. If I asked you right now exactly where your last 10 payments went, could you answer? Most people can't, and that's the problem, because you can't control what you don't track. Wealthy people treat money like data. They measure it, they analyze it, they optimize it, while everyone else just hopes it works out. And here's the scary part. If you don't fix this, even if you do make more money, you'll still end up broke. Now imagine this instead. You stop waiting and start acting. You stop impressing and start investing. You stop guessing and start tracking. That's when everything changes. Because wealth isn't built by luck, it's built by discipline. Small decisions repeated daily, over time. And here's the best part. You don't need to be perfect. You just need to be aware and consistent. So starting today, cut out just one of these habits, just one, and watch how your entire financial future begins to shift. Because 5 years from now, you'll either thank yourself for starting today or regret that you didn't. If this video made you rethink how you handle money, make sure to hit like. It helps more people see this message. Subscribe for more content on building real wealth, and share this with someone who needs to hear it. Because sometimes one idea can change everything.